Oh, timeless hymns and worship. Hello, hello, hello. This is Mariana Mokheti again. Today I have good news. I have good news for you. I just want to invite you to a live workshop where I transcribe LECSA Hymn 315 Hakele mobe. If you have nothing to do on your schedule today, just make sure that you tune in to YouTube at around 11:30, 12 o'clock. In between that time, 11:30 to 12 o'clock, midday, I'll be doing a live workshop where I am transcribing LECSA Hymn 315, which is Hakiliche Kilemobe. Let me show you what you will be learning. I'm going to show you something here. Let me go to my live project for LECSA Hymn 424. What you will be learning in the upcoming live stream is this. You will learn something like this. Let me start this project. So we are going to learn to create something like this. So this is a piano roll where I was writing everything, the melody. So make sure that you will be there. Make sure that you come. Because we're going to give you a very epic episode of live stream where I am transcribing all these hymns.